Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue most important 500 MCQs series number 2. It's part number 6. Question number 101. Telemachus is important character. Tennyson's options are Sweet and Low, Tears, Idle Tears, The Two Voices, Ulysses. Correct answer option number D, Ulysses. Telemachus, important character in Ulysses, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It is a featured in 1833 poem which is published in 1842. He is a figure in Greek mythology. Next question number 102. What was the setting place of Wuthering Heights? Options: Yorkshire, Berkshire, Cheshire, Lincolnshire. Correct answer option number A, Yorkshire. All the actions of the Wuthering Heights takes place in and around two neighbouring houses on the Yorkshire moors, Wuthering Heights and Thrushcross Grange. Next question. Who among the following is the main narrator in Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights? Options: Heathcliff, Catherine Earnshaw, Nellie Dean, Mr. Lockwood. Correct answer option number C, Nellie Dean. Ellen Nellie Dean is a female character in Emily Bronte's 1847 Wuthering Heights. She is the main narrator in the book and she provides eyewitness accounts of many of the story's central events to the Lockwood. Next question. Who was Robert Browning married to? Options: Elizabeth Shakespeare, Elizabeth Barrett, Elizabeth Dunn, Elizabeth Dryden. Correct answer option number B, Elizabeth Barrett. Elizabeth Barrett Browning was an English poet of Victorian era and popular in the Britain and in US. Next question. Which one of the following poems of Robert Browning dedicated to his wife? Options: One Word More, My Last Duchess, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, The Porphyria's Lover. Correct answer option number A, One Word More. One Word More, it's Browning's Men and Women, consisted of 51 poems. The 51st poem is One Word More, featuring Browning himself as a narrator and dedicated to his wife. Next question. When was Men and Women published? 1860, 1866, 1858, 1855. Correct answer option number D, 1855. Men and Women was published in 1855 by Robert Browning and now generally considered to contain some of the best of Browning's poetry. Next question. Browning's work Men and Women is divided into dash parts 2, 5, 7, 9. Correct answer option number A. It's divided into 2 parts. Published in 2 volumes. Next question. Thomas Carlyle belongs to which country? Ireland, Scotland, England, Finland. Correct answer option number B, Scotland. Thomas Carlyle was born on 4th of December 1795 in Scotland. Next question. Which book of Carlyle inspired Charles Dickens' 1859 novel A Tale of Two Cities? Options: The Life of John Sterling, Schiller, Frederick the Great, The French Revolution. Correct answer option number D, The French Revolution. French Revolution, A History was written by Carlyle. The 3-volume work, first published in 1837, charts the course of the French Revolution. Next question is, which one of the following writers' biography is written by Carlyle? John Sterling, Matthew Arnold, Virginia Woolf, John Donne. Correct answer option number A, John Sterling. Published in 1851, The Life of John Sterling was a biography of the Scottish author John Sterling. Next question. Who influenced John Ruskin? Options: John Donne, Thomas Carlyle, Thomas Hardy, Walter Pater. Correct answer option number B, Thomas Carlyle. Next, who influenced John Ruskin? Options: John Donne, Thomas Carlyle, Thomas Hardy, Walter Pater. Correct answer option number B, Thomas Carlyle. Next question. When was Unto This Last is published, which written by John Ruskin? 1857, 1863, 1866, 1860. Correct answer option number D, published in 1860. It is an essay and book on economy by Ruskin, published between August and December. Next question. John Ruskin's Unto This Last deals with. Options are political crisis, environmental issues, social justice, girl child. Correct answer option number C, social justice. In Unto This Last, Ruskin set out of the define wealth and then to the show that wealth can only be acquired under certain moral conditions such as honesty and justice. Next question. Into how many volumes Modern Painters was published? 3, 5, 7, 2. Correct answer option number B, published in 5 volumes. 1843 to 1860, published in a 5-volume work by Victorian art critic John Ruskin. Next question. Which one of the following work is not written by Ruskin? Options: Isabella, Modern Painters, The Seven Lamps of Architecture, The Stones of Venice. Correct answer option number A, Isabella. It is not written by Ruskin. It is written by John Keats. Or the Port of Basil, published in 1818. Next question. Who gave the concept of art of art's sake? Options: Walter Pater, R. Richards, John Donne, Matthew Arnold. Correct answer option number A, Walter Pater. Next question. Which is the first novel written by Charlotte Bronte? Jane Eyre, Shirley, The Professor, Violet. Correct answer option number C, The Professor. The Professor, a Tale, was the first novel by Charlotte Bronte. It was written before Jane Eyre but was rejected by many publishing houses. It was eventually published posthumously in 1857. Next question number 118. What was the name of the school for poor and orphaned girls appears in novel Jane Eyre? Options are London School of Economics, St. Paul's Girls' School, Lowood Westminster School. Correct answer option number C, Lowood School. Jane Eyre finds herself shipped off a school at the age of 10 and remains at this school until after she turns 18. Lowood School is run under the idea that the students will be taught the teachings of God. Next question. Who wrote the life of Charlotte Bronte? Mary Shelley, George Eliot, Elizabeth Gaskell, Virginia Woolf. Correct answer option number C, Elizabeth Gaskell. The Life of Charlotte Bronte is the posthumous biography of Charlotte Bronte by fellow novelist Elizabeth Gaskell. Next question 120. What is the rhyme scheme of Tennyson's Break Break Break? Options: A B C B, A B C D, A B A B, A B B A. Correct answer option number A, B C B. Tennyson's poem Break 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 is written with rhyme scheme A B C B. In it, Tennyson speaks of something that has come to an end, but he still longs for it. Writer-wise important MCQs, Google test forms, mock test, and e-book previous year question papers are also available in this site. If you have any query, then you can write me in a comment box below.